It's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside.